Hello guys, welcome to Splendid Accounts, best accounting and inventory management software. Today in this video we are going to cover the topic of adding a product in Splendid Accounts. So let's get started. So for adding a new product, we will go to the option of setup here, then select products. As you can see on my screen that I have already added some products, so these are listed here. But now I have to add a new product, so I am selecting the option of add product. So the form of adding a new product is opened here. The best thing is that we are able to add 7 types of products in Splendid Accounts. Like we can add simple products, service-based products and product variants. Besides it, we can easily add batch-wise, serial-wise and assemble-based product as well. And also we can add multiple packaging-based products. If we provide accounting or construction services to our customer, so we can add service product from here. Additionally, if we want to add a product which has different shapes, different colors and sizes, so we can add variant based product as well in Splendid Accounts. Once you click on it, the option of variants will be appeared here. So let's have a look at how we can add simple base product right now. This code is auto generated, but if you want to change it, so you can edit it from here, or you can also reset it by clicking this icon. You can easily add a new series as well from here. Now I'm giving a required name of the product. We can select any unit of measurement of the product from unit of measurement. And the most interesting thing is that you can add an extra unit of measurement as well by typing here. If you want to sell your product in decimal like in kilogram or liter, so you have to mark this option. And if you would like to have a calculation field to calculate your product quantity in dimensions, so you can enable this option. Besides it, here are some options which if we do not enable while adding a product, so later we can enable it. But here are some other options as well which cannot be edited once you save your product. As you can see, these 4 options mentioned in orange color. Like if we have set track inventory, so we cannot change it later. If your product falls under third schedule category, so you are able to enable this option. Secondly, you can manage the complete batch model of your product as well as its expiry days. Also, you are able to manage the serial numbers of your product from here. Assembly products are those products which are produced by different raw materials. So further, we can create assemble-based product as well in Splendid Accounts by allowing this option. Once you click on it, the option of assemble product will be appeared here. If you would like to manage minimum stock level, so we can use this option. Like if I set here 50 units, so system has to update me regarding my stock that it has reached to its minimum stock level. Here inventory is by default, but you can easily change it by yourself. If you purchase and sell this product, so you have to mark these options and give the prices. But if you do not give the purchase or sale prices here and just mark these options, so you can also add these prices on sale or purchase invoices. As you know, our all entries hit the accounting, so in expense account, cost of goods sold is by default, and in sales account, sales is by default. But you can select other option as well from here. Further, we can also apply single or multiple taxes on purchase or sale price of the product. Like I would like to apply sales tax on purchase price. And I would like to add sales tax on sale price and additional sales tax on sales price. So the taxes are added here. Over and above that, if I want to apply tax on maximum retail price, so I have to give here maximum retail price as well. Now I'm choosing save and continue edit. In detail section, whether we want to select product category and brand, so we can do it from here. You can also associate your product to your principal vendor from this option. You can also provide short name, SKU, barcode and model number of the product as well. You're able to select the HS code of your product as well from here. Furthermore, if you want to show short or detailed description of your product on your sale or purchase invoices, quotations, etc., so you can use these options. You can also upload the product image from here so that it can be showed on sale and purchase quotations, invoices, deliveries and etc. You are able to add different kind of custom fields for your product, whatever you want, by using custom field option. Like if I want to show the flavor as well after the name of my product, so I can use this option. I can choose all the options here by selecting select all, or I can choose it individually as well. and then select this icon. Now it's showing here. The purpose of multiple packing is that whether we would like to manage the unit, pack or carton of the products, so we can use this option. Through catalog option, you are able to upload the catalog of your product from here. Well, that's how you can add a new product in Splendid accounts. If this video helped you, so please give it a thumbs up. To see more videos related to Splendid accounts, please consider subscribing and do not forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.